Hello colleagues! Today we'll show you the new ESMART Reader. It is designed for access control systems and comes in 3 models. The protagonist of our video is the ESMART Reader NEO. The device comes in a box with an orange sticker. Let's open it. The set contains the reader with a half-meter long wire, a user manual, a mounting template. When installing the reader, you need to repeatedly measure and calculate the fixing point. This is particularly convenient as most manufacturers do not include such things in their sets. And also a mounting kit consisting of screws and wall dowels. A master card required to configure the device completes the set. Let's take a look at the reverse side of the reader. To do this, we unscrew the mounting bracket using the hexagonal key that comes with the kit. We disconnect the mounting bracket and put it next to the reader. Remember that the cable is 50 centimeters long. The reader's operating temperature ranges from -40 to +85 degrees Celsius. Please note that the board is filled with a compound, which means the ESMART Reader can be installed outdoors. To demonstrate the capabilities of the device, we'll use a demo booth, which has a mini door with a lock, an ACMS controller and a power supply connected to the reader. In its basic configuration, the device is encoded with a standard 26-bit VGAND format. Like other reader settings, they can be changed using the eSmart Configurator app, which I'll discuss later. The color display for the standby mode is chameleon. This is when the eSmart Reader lights up in different colors in turn. Let's test how the reader works with the cards. We hold it close and it activates. Let's try another format of RFID key fob AirTag identifiers. We see that it works the same way. A distinctive feature of the eSmart Reader is its ability to work not only with physical identifiers, but also with virtual identifiers. To do this, you need to install the eSmART Access mobile phone app for iOS and Android. The app has 2 modes. In the first mode, hold the phone close to the reader, as you would do with a card, and get access. There is also a hands-free mode that allows the reader to open the door from a distance, using Bluetooth low-energy technology, with the phone transmitting the identifier via Bluetooth. You can configure the activation distance of the hands-free mode via the mobile app. To do this, go to Settings, click on Start, then recognize the iPhone. We move the device to a convenient distance away from the reader, and then click to set it. From now on, the door will open from this distance. Let's talk about cards and identifiers. The eSmart Reader supports the entire MIFARE family of cards, including MIFARE ID cards, from which it can read the UID, MIFARE Classic cards and Crypto 1 encryption mode, or MIFARE Plus cards in SL3 mode with AES 128 encryption. Identifiers can be in any format, a card, a bracelet, or a keychain. In addition to MIFARE technology, the reader supports the new secure eSmart Access technology. The technology was awarded first place at the Moscow Securica 2018 exhibition. eSmart Access allows you to produce copy-protected identifiers for both physical and virtual media, such as mobile phones. The technology is based on the JCOP chip, which is used in most bank cards. MIFARE technology allows identifiers to be stored in the card's memory. JCOP cards are designed differently. The JCOP card has special programs, or applets, such as a bank applet for bank cards. An important distinctive feature of JCOP cards is the ability to emulate the MIFARE zone. This allows you to find quick and simple co-branding solutions simultaneously with ACS. The applet has 4 levels of protection. The first is the AES 128 encryption for data exchange, which means that data sent between the card and the reader is encrypted. The second is encryption key diversification, a technology that guarantees that the encryption key is unique with different identifiers. The third is the application of the CMAC data signature and verification of this CMAC signature by the reader. And the fourth is an additional protection from replay attacks. This technology was first used in the banking industry and guarantees that each transaction is unique. All of the above protection levels are applicable to both physical and virtual eSmart Access identifiers and guarantees security and copy protection. One of the unique features of the eSmart Reader NEO is the ability to change the design of the front panel based on the customer's needs. The customer can place a logo on the front of the device, choose a glossy shading, and opt for one of 6 options for the surface texture. In addition, the backlight of the device can be set according to the corporate style. All eSMART readers can be configured without being dismantled. You have configuration options such as vegan, the supported card formats, the color of the front panel of the device, and other settings. To configure the readers, you need to download the mobile eSMART Configurator app, select the required model, then click on the configuration and apply it. For a visual demonstration, we'll change the backlight color in standby mode. In the current version, the backlight lights up in different colors, as you can see. We select the eSMART Reader NEO, then the required configuration, and hold the phone close to the reader. The reader requires a special MasterCard to put it into configuration mode. We hold it close to the reader. The reader is now in configuration mode, and we click on the Configure button on the phone. The configuration downloads to the reader via Bluetooth and is then applied. Shortly after, the reader begins to glow purple. The configuration is complete. It is also easy to change any of the reader settings, be it the vegan interface or the card types supported. To return the reader to the basic configuration, you need to go back into configuration mode and then hold the MasterCard close to the reader again. The reader is reset to the initial settings. The backlight will revert to chameleon mode.